In a big jungle, there lived a kind elephant named Golu. He was strong, but gentle. One day, a family of little sparrows built a nest on a tall tree. The mother sparrow laid eggs and waited for her babies to hatch. One afternoon, Golu was walking near the tree. He stretched his trunk and rubbed it against the tree. The tree shook, and the sparrow's nest almost fell. The mother sparrow cried, "Oh no, my eggs will fall." Golu stopped. "I am so sorry," he said. "I didn't know your nest was here." The father sparrow chirped, "Please be careful, Golu. Our eggs are too small." Golu nodded. "I promise to never shake this tree again." Days passed. A strong wind blew one evening. The sparrow's nest swayed. The eggs were in danger. Golu saw this and quickly stood near the tree. He spread his big ears and blocked the wind. The nest was safe. The mother sparrow chirped, "Thank you, Golu. You saved our home." Golu smiled. Friends always help each other. The baby sparrows soon hatched. They chirped and fluttered. Golu watched them grow every day. One day, the little sparrows learned to fly. They circled around Golu, thanking him. Golu felt happy. He knew kindness always brings happiness. Moral: kindness and care make us true friends.